Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today we are going to learn to make beautiful cotton Vastramala for our beloved Ganpati Bappa in this video. The process of making this Vastramala is explained in a detailed manner in this video. Do make your own Vastramala for your beloved Ganpati Bappa or gift it to your loved ones. Friends, let's make this beautiful cotton Vastramala in this video. Let's start by making such drop-shaped petals. Taking a thin portion of cotton, let's smoothen it by rubbing it inside the palm as shown. Measure around 2 inches and cut the extra out. Applying little glue at the ends, join it into a drop shape. Now taking a 1-inch card paper circle, let's stick the petals on it one by one using glue. Here we are going to make 3-layered flower. We have to take 14 petals for the first layer, 12 petals for the second and 8 petals for the third layer. Attach each layer using glue, making sure the petals are arranged side by side in a row. Here our 3-layered flower is ready. Similarly, we have to make 2 more flowers, that is in all 3 flowers. Now let's make flower center using paper, golden ball chain, Kundan stone and glue. Let's keep it aside to dry. Let's attach the Kundan center to the flowers using glue. Next, let's take a 12-inch long cotton coil and again smoothen it out to a thin tight coil. We need 6 such cotton coils. Let's arrange 2 coils together as shown, making 3 pairs. Join them together with a clip. Using the 3 pairs of cotton coils, wind them together into a plait pattern as shown. Here one plate is ready. We need 2 such plates to make the Vastramala. Cutting to make the ends even, let's arrange the cotton plates on a 5 cm size card paper and stick the plates onto the card paper. Now stick the 3-layer flower made earlier over it to lock the plate in between. Also, let's stick the 2 other flowers too, keeping some space above the pendant. Now let's tie the other ends of the plates with wool strings to tie the Vastramala to the idol. Taking a required size of the wool string, let's attach it to the ends by tying a knot. Next, let's decorate it with blue and red Kundan stones as shown. Complete the Vastramala with the same decoration. Lastly, let's add cotton tassels or latkans to the pendant, and this is optional. Let's take a strip of cotton measuring 4 inches long, fluff up one end and roll the remaining strip into a thin coil as shown. Using scissors, we can shape the ends into a drop shape. We need 3 such latkans. Taking a paper circle of the same size as the card paper, that is 5 cm, let's stick the latkans onto the paper. Stick it to the card paper as shown, locking the latkans in between. Friends, here our beautiful designer cotton Vastramala is ready. We can increase the size of this Vastramala by increasing the length of the plate and adding more such flowers to fill the plate. Do make your own cotton Vastramala for your beloved Bappa. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.